Hi, Miss Barrios. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hi ma'am, good day. I am Donalyn Honor Barrios. I am 32 years old from Banga, South Cotabato. I am single.
Do you have kids?
No ma'am.
How many siblings do you have?
I have two siblings, one brother and one sister, and I am the middle of the child.
Okay, so you're the second child. Can you tell me about your educational background?
I am the high school graduate.
Do you have work experience abroad?
Yes ma'am, I worked in Hong Kong for 7 years. My first employer I worked for September 2017 to March 2019. I do the household cleaning, take care of the kids, send them to school and activity, marketing and cooking, and wash the clothes. My second employer I worked from May 2019 to September 2021. I do the household cleaning, take care of the kids, send them to school and activity, play with the kids, cooking, and go to market and wash their clothes. And my third employer I work from October 2021 to October 2023. I do the household cleaning, take care of the kids, send them to school and activity, cooking and marketing, and wash the clothes. In my fourth employer, I work from October 2023 to January 2024. I do the household cleaning, cooking, and marketing, and hand wash the clothes and take care of the kids.
Okay, did you finish all your contracts?
No, ma'am. In my first employer, I not finished my contract because they're migrate in other country, Europe. And my second employer, I finished my contract, and my third employer, I finished my contract. And my fourth employer, I not finished my contract because I have co-helper ahead than me, and we cannot understand each other. That's why I give the way.
Okay, so how would you describe yourself?
I am honest, hardworking, cheerful, and happy person, and I love the kids.
Do you have any tattoo?
Yes, ma'am, in my upper chest.
Okay, did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No, ma'am.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad because I want to help my family financial, and I want to and for my future.
Okay, are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Can you give me your idea how you can take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
I talk to them with my calm voice.
Okay, that would be all. Thank you.
Thank you.